Divide 12 into two parts such that the product of the square of one part and the fourth power of the second part is maximum. Let two parts are x and y, then x plus y equal 12. Value of y is 12 minus x. 12 minus x. And we have to maximize which term? The product of the square of one part and the fourth power of second part is maximum. Means we have to maximize the product of one part into fourth power of second part. Means product of the square of one part means x square into y to the power 4. We have to find the maximum value of this term. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में एक टर्म ऐसा दिया रहेगा जिसे मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम दिखाना होगा. मीन्स इसमें दिया है सच दैट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ वन पार्ट एंड द फोर्थ पावर ऑफ द सेकेंड पार्ट इज मैक्सिमम. मीन्स हमें प्रोडक्ट को मैक्सिमम दिखाना है. और दूसरा टर्म दिया रहेगा जिससे हम एक्स और वाई के वेरिएबल को आपस में इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स और वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाई. Then we find the value of y in terms of x and put it in the product of x square into y to the power 4. Put the value of y. We have x square into 12 minus x whole to the power 4. And now we have to find the maximum value of p. For it we differentiate the given term with respect to x. मतलब एक्स वाई में जो रिलेशन दिया रहेगा उससे हम y की वैल्यू x की फॉर्म में या x की वैल्यू y की फॉर्म में निकालेंगे, ताकि हम जिस टर्म को हमें मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम दिखाना है उसे एक ही वेरिएबल में चेंज कर सकें. अब देखिए पूरा x की फॉर्म में हो गया. अब इसे हम x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. dp by dx. आफ्टर दैट dp by dx इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड फाइंड द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स. x स्क्वायर इंटू 4 12 minus x whole cube into minus 1 plus 12 minus x whole to the power 4 into 2x by product rule, and dp by dx is equal 12 minus x whole cube common. We have minus 4x square plus 24x minus 2x square. 12 minus x into 2x means 24x and minus 2x square. Then dp by dx 12 minus x whole cube minus 6x square plus 24x. Now we find the value of d2p by dx square. d2p by dx square means we differentiate the given term dv by dx. Again with respect to x, we have 12 minus x whole cube, product rule, minus 12x plus 24 plus minus 6x square plus 24x into 3 12 minus x square into minus 1. Now put dp by dx equal 0 for maxima and minima. dp by dx is equal 0. Then we have 12 minus x cube minus 6x square plus 24 x equal 0. Then value of x is either 0 or minus 6x plus 24 equal 0. Then value of x is 4 or 12. If x equals 0, then product is not possible. Product is x square into y to the power 4. Then product is equal to 0. If we put x equal 12, then y equals 0, because y equal 12 minus x. Then y equals 0. Product is not possible. Then we take x equal 4. Put x equal 4 in d2p by dx square. We have 12 minus x cube minus 12x plus 24 is equal to 0. If we put x equal 4, then 12 minus 4 cube into minus 12 into 4 minus 48 plus 24 and minus 6x square plus 24 is equal to 0. If we put x equal 4 in this term, then minus 6x square plus 24 is equal to 0. Then this term is equal to 0. We have the value of d2p by dx square is negative. Then at x equal 4, product is maximum. Then first part is 4, second part y equal 12 minus x, then second part is 12 minus 4, 8. When x equal 4 and y equal 8, then product of x square into y to the power 4 is maximum.